Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can regrow your crops or like fruits so they can grow a little bit bigger than they were before. So as you can see, I have this toggle fern and it's pretty small, not to my liking. What you'll need to do is you'll need to collect it and you'll need to immediately add like a sprinkler. I'm just going to add this, but you're going to want to stack like godly and like master, grandmaster sprinkler, and advanced sprinkler, and you're going to want to leave the game. I'm just going to stay here though because I'll need to make more videos on this game, but you'll need to leave the game for a minimum of 30 minutes, up to an hour. You don't have to leave the game for more than that, and you'll watch the plant regrow into a bigger crop. I mean, it worked already for a few of my plants, like this one over here, this burning bud, and I did have a banana that was really big, but I already like harvested it. But I think do I still have it in my inventory or no? Oh yes, I do. As you can see, it's humongous. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.